How to install double expansion sleeve anchors. Double expansion sleeve anchors are paired with machine screws or bolts to fasten applications to concrete, block, stone, and brick. The two-way expansion ensures contact along the length of the hole. For this installation, you'll require a hammer drill and a masonry drill bit. Hole size and hole depth are important when installing double expansion sleeve anchors. You can measure and use tape to mark the depth to drill. We list the correct hole size on the product details of each anchor on our website. Make sure to calculate the depth of your hole using the length of the mating fastener and the thickness of your application. Drill the hole into the concrete using a hammer drill and masonry drill bit. Clear the hole of any dust and debris so that the anchor can see properly. Drop the double expansion anchor into the hole. Using a machine screw or bolt, fasten your application to the double expansion sleeve anchor. The anchor is set by tightening the screw or bolt. For more information on sizing and how to install double expansion sleeve anchors, visit boltdepot.com. Fastener shopping made easy.